Okay, hello. Here's the second OpeniBoot video. This one will be over playing PCM data. And what PCM data is it's an Apple aiff file or a .wav file for Microsoft. And the one that works, aiff doesn't work on this, but Microsoft Wave does, and it's an audio file, of course, if you didn't know. And so what you can do is interact directly with the, I think it's a Marvell audio chipset, and I have these speakers plugged in right here. You can't really see them, but they're speakers. Hopefully they'll work. I haven't used them in a very long time, but they're portable speakers. And of course this only has the piezo buzzer, so no speaker. So you'd have to use headphones. If you were on the iPhone, you would be able to use the speaker or headphones. You have the option. And I'll show you how to do that too. So to get started, you would of course want to get OpeniBoot console going. So what I'll do is I'll restart the iPod. Alright, so okay. So if you don't know how to make a WAV file, you could look it up. You can do it in iTunes. You can do it with any converter, really. I mean, just I think you could. Yeah, I don't know. I know you can do it in iTunes because that's how I did it. You could do it probably in if you have Adobe like Sound. I think is it Soundboard. The one audio thing that replaced Adobe Audition. If you have Audition, you could do it. So yeah, you can create a WAV file. I just made a snippet of a Paul McCartney song, and you can see here it's test.wav. So to get started, we would have to, of course, upload it. So we're going to upload it since it again is in the directory. I'm actually going to make the backlight brighter. Okay, and okay, so test.wav. Okay, file length. That's okay, it's done. Alright, now there are a few things you can do with the audio stuff, and I'll show you right here with the help command. I'll show you. It's audio hardware. Now with this transfers done, that's really unneeded, but that's just how many times you've played, pretty much. You don't really need that to do this, but if you want to know, you could use that. Play PCM, that's to start playing it. Now before we start, we have to change the volume on the headphone jack because it is set at 0 by default. Position is how far into the file are you playing. Pause is pausing, and resume is resuming the playing. Now it plays in the background while you can still make commands, of course. That's why you're able to do the position, pause, and resume. So to start, we have to make the headphone volume louder. Now here you can see you can change quite a few things. Yeah, you could do that. I'm not really sure what they mean by that, but yeah, 0 to 57. And oh, I get it. Okay, decibel. Yeah, you can change the power to that, but Okay, this is the important one though, to change the volume. Now if you just type in one number, it will then make both sides, you can see both sides are now 23. If you type in two numbers, now the left side is the first number, the right side is the second number. We'll make it 27. Now we'll audio hardware play, and I'll show you the usage for that. PCM Data. Okay, so it's kind of like downloading. You need to know the address and the length. And here's the part I was talking about earlier. Use the use headphones option. Now if you don't on an iPhone, it'll use the speaker, at least that's what I assume. If you don't on an iPod, it'll just by default use the headphone jack, but I'll put it in anyway. So just so you know, so 0x09000000, and the length of it, I didn't remember it because it was large. Let's find it. Oh, I didn't do that. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we'll copy that and paste it and use headphones. Alright, it's working. You can't hear it though, so I'll make the volume louder.
Don't hold on to something that's changing fast. What we are is what we are.
Now we'll do pause. Okay, it's paused. Now we'll resume. And then after that we'll do position.
Vintage love.
It shows how many bytes it has read.
Vintage clothes. We jump up for joy. Who cares if we look like a ghetto boy? What we are.
Alright. And now since it's done, it's out of that. But yeah, it just said audio playback complete. And that's that. That's all there is to playing audio on here, directly through OpeniBoot console. So thanks for watching the second video. Goodbye.